Sorry, I'm so sorry. It's the wine talking, it's not me.
That one sip of wine really got you.
Totally. Hi guys, I am Maneet Chauhan. I have a couple of restaurants in Nashville. You might have also seen me on Food Network judging on Chaat and competing on Tournament of Champion, which by the way, I think I won. No, I know I won the second season. Just saying that. So today we are going to be talking about Masala Dhabbas. Masala Dhabbas are spice boxes which are a quintessential part of any Indian kitchen. Now the fun part about the Masala Dhaba or the spice box is that based on the region of India you are from, you will have different spices in it. To me, I just made a collection of my favorite spices. Right over here we have turmeric, this beautiful golden hue which not only is really healthy but adds that golden touch to any dish. Right over here we have is red chili Kashmiri powder, so it's got that kick to it. It also has smokiness to it. Then my favorite spice of all time, which is Chaat Masala. It's a blend of spices with predominantly dried mango powder, which gives it a tart flavor, the ultimate finishing salt to any dish. Then green cardamom. Green cardamom can be used not only to make drinks, you can steep green cardamom and make cocktails out of it, but also desserts and savory dishes. Star anise, which is such a beautiful looking spice. Sweet, use this drinks, desserts, savory. Black mustard seeds, foundation for a lot of South Indian dishes. And then panchpuran, which is 5 whole spices blended to make a whole spice, which is fennel, Greek, cumin, mustard seeds, onion seeds, and mustard seeds, I think so. Did I say all the spices? Yeah, if I forgot it, sue me.
If you do have a local Indian store, you can go ahead and get all of these spices over there. But right now, there are some incredible online resources which you can order and it comes straight home. Our friends at Spicewala have all of these spices and they are incredible. Diaspora has amazing spices, and there are a lot of these spice companies which are coming up which can ship all of these to your place. Or just Instagram me and I can ship these to you.